The next generation of skilled water and wastewater operators starts with you. At Delaware Rural Water Association's Apprenticeship Training, this program prepares a new workforce to help preserve our community's most needed resource, water. DRWA has been providing training and technical assistance for over 30 years.
Delaware Rural Water Apprenticeship Program. It's given our guys some wonderful experiences and education that they're going to carry with them throughout their careers.
Registered apprenticeships are employer-driven programs.
It's affordable for the talent and for the employees. They work with our schedules, and it's just been a really good experience so far.
Combine on-the-job learning with classroom instruction.
Being a wastewater operator is a really fantastic career for anybody who's thinking about becoming a wastewater operator. It's a wonderful field to get into. Don't wait. Get into the apprenticeship right now.
Earn while you learn. Get paid with increasing wages throughout the program. Get your nationally recognized Journey Person certificate.
The need for operators is so important. I encourage other municipalities to be part of the apprenticeship program. Easy program to be part of. It's affordable for the talent and for the employees, and it's just been a really good experience so far.
Call us at 302-424-3792 or online at drwa.org. At DRWA, your future is waiting.